Hi guys, I'm Francesca and today I'm going to show you one of the greatest experiences that you can do in Rome. People constantly ask me what is the nicest place to go out for dinner, and of course in Rome there are plenty of options like this and this. But trust me, if you want to have the greatest experience you have to try a cooking class. And today I'm going to take you to the best in town. Let's go! Ciao Marco!
Buongiorno! Ciao bella!
Buongiorno, how are you?
Fine, you?
I'm all good.
Great!
Thanks for having us today.
Pleasure.
Beautiful, enjoy
Pleasure.
cooking. It's the great location, it all looks very beautiful and it's just, you know, a few meters away from the Colosseum.
Yes, it's the right location.
What's the plan for today?
Today we do all from scratch.
Okay.
I put you to work, be ready.
Exciting.
So we do 2 pastas and tiramisu because it's not enough, 2 pastas.
And I have asked our chef to spice things up a little bit today, adding a competition. But I'm going to tell you later when the other guests arrive.
Buongiorno!
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, I'm Francesca.
Where are you from?
London. And I'm from France.
Okay. Welcome to Enjoy Cooking. Today I put you to work. I don't go like TV shows. I didn't make any pasta for you before.
All from scratch.
In case of emergency, there's a grocery down there. You can get the pasta there. I'm gonna give you the apron to look professional, especially for the pictures. A glass of wine.
Let's start with the wine.
We start with the wine. It's just the beginning. I'll tell you one thing from the beginning. I say 1,000,000 times allora. I say allora. Allora is like, how to translate for you, like now. So when I'm about to do something or to say something. So be ready for millions allora today, okay?
I'd say let's start with a nice chin.
Yeah.
In Italian, it's chin chin. And you have to always look each other in the eyes, no crossing. Chin chin.
We do the base of tiramisu first. So the cream will have time to chill in the fridge and you build your tiramisu at the end of your lunch. So careful with the wine because you have to build your tiramisu later. So obviously we have the eggs. It's gonna be for the pasta because we do all from scratch. Premium sauce because it's one of the 2 pasta we use sauce. So we do the Amatriciana. Today we use Romano cheese for the Amatriciana and the classic most popular Parmesan. But look for the real because there are many fake. Look for the logo. Actually this is our premium Parmigiano Reggiano. And always for this. This tells you it's DOP. Denominazione Origine Protetta. In Italy, especially in Rome, we have no rules on the street. The only rules we have are on food in Italy, okay?
We've decided to spice things up a little bit today. We want to insert a small competition. The chef obviously decides who does it, everything in the best way. And there might be a little bit
I have big expectations.
surprise towards the end. There'll be a little surprise. So, may the best way.
Allora, with me, I want to know now, who's the chef back home?
My husband.
And where is your husband?
It's in the bag.
In the bag. What happened? What's wrong?
He's not very tall.
What happened to your husband? Dangerous, huh?
Hey guys, I know that some of you that are watching this video are not yet subscribed to this channel. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It will be truly amazing for us. And now, let's get back to the video. There you go, the best cook in the house, right?
We got the husband! What's his name?
Kane.
He's gonna work with us. He's gonna be my sous chef, actually.
You ready?
Kane is with us. Welcome, Kane! Welcome to the kitchen. Kane have to be always next to me, actually. Allora, let me put Kane here. So, Francesca, don't make fake phone calls.
I am
I
present.
put you to work. Brava, surgery of the skin. Perfetto.
What do you think?
Brava, brava Francesca. So what's gonna happen here? The magic happen. Allora, the white fat start to be translucent. We lose all the juice at the bottom and we make it crispy. Today is gonna be multitasking, eh? Now we do the base of tiramisu and then we come back here to check the meat. Please remind me to check because I'm getting older, okay? Allora, Kane. Allora guys, you have 2 chefs actually today. It's Marco and Kane, okay? The main rule of tiramisu, pasteurized eggs, obviously, no salmonella, okay? And very fresh eggs. Okay, Kane is doing it. Oh, bravo! Bravo, Kane! Applause for Kane.
mistake. I make mistakes too sometimes.
Allora, actually, the trick, a professional trick for the cream inside. Just careful, don't throw it. Allora, done. Brave. You can have extra wine. And what we do now? You tell me.
Check the meat.
Brave, come with me. You see how it's changing the texture? You see we have the fat at the bottom. That will give the flavor to the sauce. Okay. No, it's too much. Take it out. Take it out.
With your hands, go.
No, actually, once it happened with this guy, it was really a funny class. He dumped the salt in, and I was like, no, it's too much salt, take it out. And he was like, oh! Hey, bravo, Kane, more in the center. Now we go like grandmas, okay? We have to make the room for the eggs. That's why we do this in Italy, just for the flour. This is when everything started. Just to Perfetto. So, 2 eggs, 2 eggs, 2 eggs, 2 eggs.
Where do we break them? On you?
Francesca, eh? It's fun, Francesca. No more wine for Francesca. I'll give extra wine to Kane. You wanna crack the egg on my forehead? Two. No eggshell. We like al dente pasta, not crunchy. Don't look at Clara, okay? Don't watch that.
You want to look at what I'm doing?
Don't look there. For you, wait for me now. We add in the egg the color. All of it, incorporate first the color. Brava, in the egg, exactly. Incorporate the green in the egg.
Marco, so far, who do you think is doing the best?
For now, I think you just see my face is not Clara. Even in this case, Francesca, I don't know why it's not you.
It's somehow good enough.
I don't know, I have the feeling something
I will
wrong there.
never be good enough.
And look at this piece of art. Please.
Not let my country down like this.
Combine it all together and you try to absorb the rest of the flour you have at the bottom. So you fold it and palm, fold and palm. This is the Italian gym, guys. We don't go to the gym in Italy. Oh, I love your hands, actually. Hello, Hulk! Please, the Hulk or Grinch hand, like we can say. This is a nice picture, actually. Hug me. So the competition is going well. Kane team is going pretty well, like for a beginner. But I want to give some motivation to Clara, because at the beginning was a little messy, but he's doing great, actually. It's our secret.
Using this is always a very traditional, takes you back in time. Number 7 first.
Brave. Which number? LNL, which number?
7.
Brave.
Remember to fold it again and lay it out once again.
We can use the machine or I'll give you a special tool, a magic tool. The pasta guitar, we call it. You can even play it. You see the sound? We can cut the pasta through the guitar. Both your hands in the middle, and you go through the cord. Then you can even go this way. Oh wow, bello, eh? So no more boxes. Now you'll do this every day. Put extra semolina on top. Okay. I'm gonna give an extra point here. I think that just that lol is an undercover chef. I never seen it. And put it straight on the trail, okay? Belli.
Bellissimo. Okay.
Perfetto.
So now it's time for the green pasta for the ravioli.
This is the filling for the green ravioli. Parmesan, fresh cream, and a touch of black truffle. They're gonna go crazy. Brava, good amount, brava.
I made it too big. It happens, you know, first tries and then you get better with practice.
Who did that? The one in the corner right there. You tell me. Where is? Someone missing here. Who is? Francesca is able to blame Kane here. Eh? She's like, no, Kane did it.
Don't kill me in the comments, please.
Don't kill me in the
Don't
comments.
kill me.
Guys, what do you think about this? Spot the difference. You wanna move to Rome, actually, the both of you? You teach with me the next classes. Brava Clara, big applause. Proud of you, proud of you. Bene, time to eat. Time to eat, no more working. So the first pasta will be Amatriciana. Why we call Amatriciana? Because this plate was invented in Amatrice city, in the central part of Italy. And actually the guanciale we use here comes exactly from that area. Because as I told you before, we are very strict on food, on the rules. So I have to come from Amatrice. You tell me if it's done. You tell me, Marco, really minute more. Marco is done. You tell me.
A little bit more.
Little more. How
A little
long?
bit more. 1.
1 minute. Okay. Now I let you toast the pasta. Are you ready?
Very heavy.
The sound of love.
Yeah, the sound of love. Brava. This is a big part for the challenge. This is the moment of the truth. Presentation. I let you do the nest because you have to impress your family and friends. Clara, you are the first. I love she talked by herself. Yeah. 1 hour later. Brava.
There we go.
Next. Oh, look at this. The undercover chef. Brava. I mean, lol. Just save the room for the second pasta and the tiramisù. Perfetto. Just observing. I'm not gonna give you the feedback now. Bellissimo to make it pretty. Bello però, I like that. Your baby. I add 2 more to Clara because it was too late.
It's delicious, and you know why? Because it's handmade.
Now it's time for the dessert. Let's go make the tiramisù. This bowl of coffee, just espresso, no sugar in it. The famous lady finger, right? Let me see your finger. I don't see any difference. Chocolate chips is a bonus track, okay? Even if in the classic there's not, but today. Cocoa powder, bitter, no sugar. This is mine, I didn't steal yours, huh? And now we build it, this Savoiardi, ladyfinger, we call Savoiardi. Our premium Savoiardi, ladyfinger, because the regular, the commercial one you find in a grocery is like half of the size. First thing, I go half and half, 1 second in, that's it. I go 2 extra because I have a sweet tooth. Okay. Even tiramisu is a challenge. The closest to this masterpiece. Very humble. So it's part of the challenge. So we'll check even the presentation of tiramisu. You can even eat it, imagine. Obviously, I told you before, this ladyfinger, I never seen in a restaurant using this ladyfinger. Yeah. Each little thing counts. Now is the moment of the truth. The winner, a really nice premium wine. For the presentation, passion, the right amount of wine, because some people had too much. The winner is Kane! So, it goes to Kane. So you can bring back home.
Congratulations!
Well done. Big applause for
guys, it's you. Grazie. I have to tell you one thing from the bottom of my heart. This is the best class I ever had.
Of course.
Never said before, never. In 7 years, this is the best.
Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really think this is one of the greatest experiences for you to go on a date night, take your friends or your family out. And the most important thing is that you can demonstrate your talent that you've acquired here in Rome and cook your family some amazing Italian food. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!